My beta fish. He's so cute. Beta fish. That's my beta fish. Her name's Pearl. My other one's named Ghost. I rather name this one Ghost, but I just got this fish. Where do you feed him? His food is this. We feed him this. I think it's he or she, I don't know. And I name it Pearl. It's a girl to me. That's him. Right? This is the food, how it looks like. Right here. The food right there. It looks like little pebbles. Little pebbles. And she's gonna eat. There he goes. There he goes in the water. There he goes. He's eating. He's eating. He's eating. He's so there the food. He ate. There you go. That's my fish. Thanks for watching.